Hey guys, what's up? I got myself a new plane. Check this out. This bad boy right here. It's hype funtastic. So yeah, let's unpack this guy. This is what she looks like right now. I don't like the design. I gotta do something about that. There we go. That looks a lot better. Alright, so I gotta install the flaps, and then it's gonna get its next design. And I've already decided on what design it's gonna be. Take a look here. And so I still got a little bit of work ahead of me. And the other side. Yes. So, she's ready. So now, hook everything up, see that everything works. Fucking cable salad. We have movement. Now let's put away all these cables and stuff. Tuck it out of the way there. Alright. Cool. So this is working. Let's see here. Smart search. Alright, we found something. Yes, we have a picture. Have a look. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it, but yes. Now let's see, functions test. Hey kitty. All right, elevator. Up, yep, working. Down, working. All right, ailerons. To the right. Wait, is this right? To the right. That means left side gets pushed up. Yes, correct. Rudder. Yep, working. Flat. They seem to be straight. Flaps up. Alright, cool. That's good. And cool. Alright, that works. I think we're good with this one. And then we get to set up that one. Yay. Hello there, Convergence. Then start another smart search. Yes, I have video. So everything works. All right. So I have my Miss Kentucky State, and I have the Convergence. We got the FPV set up here, run cam, mini split mini, then immersion RC, and Fat Shark, and this is the Convergence, also with a run cam split mini up in the bottom there, and I'll be mounting my GoPro here on this one. And here on the back of this one, I also have a mount, Velcro set up for my microcam 1080 HD. So I'm looking forward to the first flights. Can't wait. Woohoo! Cool. All right. Next video will be a flight video.